Hello guys, I'm a Harlan Quiz to tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery. In case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number, and someone who has a chance to stolen your Gmail password, someone who has hacked your Gmail password, in that condition, how do you especially, what kind of the strategy we will have to execute to recover? In this situation, especially one viewer who has recommended show the recovers to this area. Unfortunately, he has lost this device. So now he doesn't have the access to the recovery email and the recovery phone number also so that he can reset. In that conditions, he is not in a position to reset. So now I'm trying to show the recovers with practicals. So let's dive with practicals now. But this is only for institution purpose. Of course, I assure you don't misuse it. Of course, I expect it from all of you that you will not do that, this kind of the things. Let's learn the step by step, and of course, if you execute a step by step, then you will be able to do it quickly. So first and foremost, we are on a special and the recovery phase. We will tap on here and we will check it out. Now see, it is essential that of course I try to approach always alternative options. Now just we will go for try another way and see we don't have the password in that condition. Of course, now it's in the asking so that you can by having the OTP, or of course Google needs to the verify on the phone number and the security reason. In that condition, of course, by the having especially SMS, you can, but of course we don't have especially the phone number. So how can I go for? Now it's essentially that couldn't sign in. Why this reason is coming? So because I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that in this account is mine. So in that condition, how can I? There is also options in that of course Google asks this kind of the things that to keep secure your accounts or account secure. So to recover, try again, and of course we will have to answer each questions on if you're the parents or if your account is linked with your family. Then of course we have the chance to end the email your parents to have the chance the password. So in that condition, of course, now if I go for try again, then multiple times if we do here, then of course this account automatically Google will give you an opportunity that Google will contact you. This kind of the platform will be open. So guys, if we do the multiple times here again and again 2-3 times, then at that situation, we will have to especially provide your identity proofs on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that and this is your accounts really or not. If it is, then of course you will have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, but after 48 hours. So I cannot, of course, I'm not in the position to wait such a long time, guys. Then what is the alternative options? And don't worry, guys. Just we will have to come in the Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we will have to go for download search bar, and there of course we will have to write a best browser. So of course we will go for here. Sorry, just let me back, and once again we will go for here. So just we will click on here. Now here what we will do, just we will go for AI with virtual private, because everything is especially all kinds of the game is elements on the depend of the customization of a precise location along with of course AI. So now I'm downloading here, just Opera browser, of course with the special artificial intelligence with the special the virtual private network. So let's see now. So what's going to happen? It has started to download. On the other hand, of course we will have to, it's very essential to the changes two options, especially the firstly we will tap on especially Google's. Of course we will have to go in the app info especially. Now we will click on a special notification, check it out so that it is blocked or not. If it is blocked, then that's fine, so otherwise we will have to block. Now we'll back one more time. Yes, we will come to the permission. The permissions too, of course, we will have to navigate the location. So here just we will tap on the location, and here see one thing more. Now it is allowed the times, then in that condition, of course, that we can of the precise location, otherwise we cannot. If we click on it don't allow, then we cannot. So firstly make it off, and thereupon of course we will go for don't allow. So if we don't allow, then of course it's a notifying situation that especially this device may no longer the function as intended. Fine, it's okay for timing I'm doing this. We'll tap on here. Now that we have the another browser, there's also the product of especially I'm Google, as we know that, and then of course we'll tap on the Chrome. That's a comes in the app info. So of course we will tap on app infos, and then of course we will come on especially notification. It's already blocked because I haven't recovered the multiple special identity, and that's why it's special. But so now here just we will tap on a notification blocks. You will have enabled, then you will have to make it blocks. Let's tap on assume the permission once again, and of course we will click on a remove the permission and the free option in this page, and of course we will come the location, navigate the location once again. If we will allow then the precise location, you will be able to off and on. As we know that we will have to off, then of course we will go for allow. So similar, if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may longer the function as intended finds the 4 times doing these things. Now just we will cut it from here. Then of course once again we will come on a special Chrome. Let's tap on it here. Just we will tap on this, and upon what we will do guys here, just we will here in the browser app in the defaults we will select the here the Opera. Then of course we will get it from here, and thereupon of course we will come in the inside of that and the tap on Opera. After coming on here, let it especially here wait, we will have to go for next, and of course we will go for allow next, and now see here it's going to open here. Now here we will have to actually add the Gmail, and of course we will try to. So let's see, we will click on here this G browser. Now it has been opened here. Now we will go in the especially sign in to, of course we will come in. Now here we will have to write this particular ID. So let's see. Yes, we will picture this, and of course we will write here. Now we will have to tap on a special next. The whole procedure will take especially approximately 10 minutes guys, so that's why I'm here. Now here we have options that we can forget, or that we can go for next after entering the password. We don't have the password, so just we will go for now. QR is a thing that we don't have especially, so now we have added there. So now phone number is a comics, so we don't have especially. These all are links is the comics. Now it's okay. Here is motives to the recovers in this account. Means surely 100% is this account would be recovered. How it is possible? Don't click on a triangle. Otherwise, of course, Google will track that I'm the trying to recovers in this particular ID by a reference browser. So of course, maybe it will press. So more tips to the recovers. How can I use of this step? Of course, this step that can be utilized, but of course by cutting from here. Don't use from here. Then how can I use this tips? The more tips to the recover. Of course, we'll go on the inside of the tapping in a setting, guys. And after coming the setting, you will have the option Google service. So we'll tap on a Google service. Let's tap. Now in the Google service, of course, we will come in especially help options. So of course, we will tap on it, and here we have options that concerns your Gmail account. So of course we will tap it, and now that we are especially you think someone else is using, of course we will picture these ones. Now see here, yes, it has opened. So of course we'll go for secure these accounts. So if we tap on a secure these accounts, and then what will happen, guys? Here we have is to find out if your account has been hacked. Where it is, review your account's activities. Then of course we'll tap on to find out if your account has been hacked, and upon of course we will have the here opportunity that these tabs to recover. Now here we can check it out here. See, we don't have options the create and the replacement files on the Google account. Second is avoiding getting locked out of your Gmail accounts files. Now we have options, and that's here. See, use family device and the location. So already I have the customizing this location, so most probably this area would be a recover here. Use as same the browser likes is the Chrome so fast, and usually they will third one CS would be in the location where you are usually shine in at your home. Or so how easily this can be recovered here, guys. Don't you believe that these accounts can be recovered? Of course, this can be recovered. Now this feedback is coming, so most probably, of course, we will click on a satisfies to, of course, we will go for personalization, we will go for next, and after coming on to next, just we will go for very easy. Yes, and just we will go for, and now see, thank you for your feedbacks. Means of course now tap on the recovery page and see what will happen. Now simply we will have to wait here, wait, of course new the browser will be open, and here we will have to type this particular ID, and of course now here see, simply we will have to here tap on especially next. Now see guys, here directly we are here. Now we have to do nothing, so just don't click on a save, just click on a neighbor 2. Of course we have options too, that is a change the password, second is a continue. So what you will do here, don't click on a continue guys, just you will have to click on a change the password. Why? Because you would be trapped in especially it's a verify your options. If you do taps, then of course you will have to actually show this ID by especially having the OTP from your recovery email and recovery phone number. So this is not possible because you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone. So just we will have to change the password. If they change the password, then you will have an opportunity to go inside especially to add the recovery email and recovery phone number, so that this kind of incident won't be happen again guys. So create a new password, confirm a new password, and go for change it, and of course everything will be okay now. So firstly let me urgently that covers all the data, and of course we will have to deliver this ID password with secured fully accounts to the my especially who has the recommends to the recover, but online especially on the live screen especially we cannot create because this would be in public. This is all about guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. And furthermore inquiry, of course the confusion, drop the comments in the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to reply your query. So thank you very much indeed.